Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, we are taking a look at ELF, the one and only, a big mover. And this trade that I gave to the members has returned 90% plus profits within just 2 weeks for us. I take the same trades that I provide to my members as well. More details if you want to check out about that, check out the links of my Patreon in the description of this video. And moving forward, what to do with ELF, members already know, but I want to a little bit talk about ELF here as well because it's one of the interesting one. Now, definitely that 90% profit that I just mentioned to you guys, that is pretty much, we have taken those profits. Right now it's about moving forward, what next to do. Right now, definitely, if you're a member and watching this video on the public channel as well, you know the story. But if you're not a member, this is for you. So let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is only for the education purposes. Just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Now, definitely with the members, not just ELF, I talk many other, stocks where there are really good plays building up and we have made 40-50% profits in just within a month. And also ELF has been the biggest returning stock for us. So first also, early indications, are provided by my tools as well. So I just want to really quickly start off there. So I just turned on my tools and this is where, so actually let's a little bit go back in the past, right? So let me turn off my tools and it's just, you don't know where to buy, where to short, what to do, where to have a stop loss, what to do, right? Let's turn on this another tool here. Everything is so easy peasy now, understandable. This is where we took the short play. And this was pretty much like short play for us. Awesome money made. And then the tools also gave the indication that when structure full on turned bullish, it was right over here, right? That's where the structure turned green, and technically we are still bullish ongoing in the structure. So this is a continuation. Technically the trade when I provided to the members was from here, $62, and it went as high as $120, pretty much close to 100% return that we got. And anyhow, my tools also are part of the memberships. Check out the details in the description of this video. There are Patreon links, the stocks coverage, and my tools, which will help you, without the videos as well. If you don't want to wait for my videos, just use the tools in real time. They work on all the intervals. They will help you make decision based on your favorite. They work on all the stocks as well, whichever your favorite stock is. But details for my tools as well are in the description of this video. Just make sure that you read through each membership, what that membership offers. Bonus stocks coverage, definitely, as I said, not just ELF, but we talk about so many other stocks as well. And then also my tools that helps you making real-time decisions, even on your favorite stocks, whichever you want to trade. Anyhow, all the details are in the description of this video. Now, moving forward on ELF, right? We got these massive returns. We had earnings yesterday, and what to do from here on. Technically, we are still just bullish on ELF even moving forward. Yes, we do have this gap here. Can we come down and fill this gap? Not necessarily. We don't have to come down and fill this gap, but we will still remain in the bullish structure even until 102. Even if we do a pullback at this point, and we'll take a look at, are we going to get a pullback? We'll take a look at the lower time frames in just a second. But overall structure, even if it comes down to 102, that will just be a pullback. But as I always say, keep taking partial profits in the extensions. Pullbacks are the time to reload once the pullback has confirmed that it is completed. And vice versa for the short side, right, with the rebound scenario. Anyways, I talk about all that in much more depth on multiple stocks with my members. Now, that being said, overall structure even until 102 will be just fine. But are we going to get that pullback? Are we looking to have that scenario? So let's take a look at the hourly interval because we'll have to dissect that from the lens of intraday and hourly interval, especially to begin with. Now, today market overall was selling off. It was a red day in the market. However, ELF is just still in a little bit of a intraday pullback or overall structure, a little bit of a just a profit taking that's happening. It's not bearish, okay, even intraday. This is the level 108 around, almost a significant level. Again, all these levels are marked by my tools as well, guys. Okay, everything, tools will take care of everything for you. It will give you every area to watch. As I just showed you, another tool will pretty much takes into account everything, tells you where the structure is bullish, where is bearish, where to buy, where to short, where to have a stop loss, everything. Now, here we are, and you will get the onboarding videos as well in case you are curious. Like, yeah, you will get the onboarding videos on how to use the tools. Now, this area 108 moving forward intraday, this is a zone actually for intraday. 109 to 109 and 50 cents to almost 108 50 cents area. As long as we continue to stay intraday above this as well, tomorrow we are still just fine. This has a potential of a rebound. However, if we lose this area, the very area that I just mentioned intraday, we have a room to cool off a little bit more maybe. Then we gotta wait, which means it's a pullback happening. But as I said, until 102, as long as we hold above it, or we can stabilize in the price action, that will just be a pullback, and then there we can see a rebound. So these are still your areas of potential rebounds. We have to wait and see where the price action establishes itself, stabilizes, and starts to break out to the upside. And for that confirmation, you will also use the lower time frame, like 5 minutes. That other tool that I just showed you on the daily interval early on, that will give you everything. That is a great tool to use across multi-time frame to start from the lower time frame to build some near-term rebound confirmation if a pullback is happening, and pair that together with the overall structure. Again, it will just show you every signal that you need to know. Now, yeah, so 108 in near term is the level to watch, 108 and 50 cents to 109 and 50 cents. Technically, if we lose it, some near term cool off is possible, but as I said, that will just be a pullback and a cool off on the lower time frame. Overall structure will be just be a pullback until 102. We are fine. Now, how high can we go on ELF from here? So we have gotten our targets for, well, as I said, oh well, I didn't show you actually like this whole 90% gain that I'm talking about, right? Like, I'm literally, this is our one of the biggest returning stock within just 2-3 weeks. As other stocks have also returned, like Netflix around 40%. There's a list, like a huge list, guys. There's so much. So, and I spend more time now for the members only stocks videos. So you already know now, daily on my public channel, the videos daily doesn't come out because I daily do the videos for the members only on my Patreon. So you can see from there, we are at 91.37% gains on ELF at the max, right? So yeah, it's a really good mover for us. Now, and definitely, partial profits are important in the extensions. The next target technically for ELF is, guys, as we continue to hold above 102, it can test around 143. That's technically the next target. Anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video. Definitely, I am so excited about this return on this stock position that I just wanted to share as well here, and also provide forward-looking outcome anyways on ELF. That's all I had for you guys in this video, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys, whenever they come on my public channel. But if you are a member on those part of the membership that covers these videos, check out those details on my Patreon if you want to be part of those as well. All right, because that's where I spend most of my time now. All right, take care, guys. Bye.